Hello folks, my name is Nsugochukwu Alfred and I'm your friend. Today I want to talk to you about something that I've been seeing online lately. It's a matter of concern to me and I wish to address that particular issue, but I cannot address it in a single video like this. So I will be doing series of these videos like this. They will be very brief. I'll be doing the videos very brief. So what is that thing that I want to address, using these videos as a channel? Okay, that thing that I want to address is the wrong concept of affiliate marketing that I see people talking about here online. First of all, affiliate marketing is not Expertnaire, and Expertnaire is not affiliate marketing. All right. Now, if you want to do affiliate marketing, there are several channels that you can use to do affiliate marketing. Some free, some paid. Expertnaire is not the only affiliate marketing platform that gives people opportunity to do affiliate marketing. There are also some foreign affiliate marketing companies that will require you to pay money before you work with them, or to subscribe before you work with them, or to meet some certain criteria before you work with them. So whatever the case is, depends on you who want to get into the affiliate marketing. Are you comfortable with working with a system that is completely free, or are you more comfortable working with a system that you pay? Even here in Nigeria, I have some platforms where I belong to, where I pay money to get access to promote other people's products. I'm not talking about Expertnaire now. There are also other companies where I work and I promote everything there for free. So understand this now. There is something called affiliate marketing networks. And then you have again independent affiliate networks. So let me give you an example of affiliate marketing networks. So you have one of them called Share a Sale, where you have affiliate companies or people who have product to sell coming together there to use that place because it's a marketplace. They post their products there and state it clear that okay, I'm offering so and so commission per sale on each of my products. So people will come and apply. You have to apply. They don't just make random selection. You have to apply and meet their criteria. So the criteria could be that you should have a website, you should have email marketing list. Okay, so that email marketing list could be from 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 20,000 to 100K and above. So there is no specifics here. It could also be that they will ask if you have a YouTube channel. Okay, they look at the YouTube channel. If it's doing okay, they can say, okay, this person can promote our product. Or they can ask for your Facebook group or page to see what you are doing there, because most companies won't want to have an affiliate who is not serious, who will just come and register account and dump it. So if they have 1 million persons registering as affiliates on their platform and dumping their account, you see that they are not into business and you are just occupying space. So they want to make sure that whoever they are bringing in is professional enough, he or she is professional enough to know what to do, to be able to help them to drive results and help them meet their financial goal while they get paid. Okay, so we have another affiliate marketing network like that called JVZoo. We have another one, Warrior Plus. So these are affiliate marketing networks. Then for independent affiliate networks, we have something like Jumia, we have something like Konga, we have something like Payport. Okay, we have something like there's this other one I was promoting last year too for crypto called Flitter. Okay, you even have a popular platform. I'm trying to remember the name now. It has escaped my memory. So whatever the case is, all right, whatever the case is, it depends on you. It's not about whether they are asking people to pay or not. They can ask people to pay, but if you are not comfortable to pay, nobody is compelling you. So affiliate marketing is not Ponzi. Affiliate marketing is not what Nigerians are interpreting it to be. Most people you see even on the platform, why these issues are coming up now is because a lot of people are going to Expertnaire to pay money when they pay 10,000 naira to have access, and they are being encouraged to get the income generator program, which is about 45,000. I think they said they are increasing the money and all that. So some of them, got this course. Okay, that program, the last time I checked, was about 30,000. So I'm not an Expertnaire anyway. So when they get the program, they don't sit down to go through that program, to study it and to know exactly what affiliate marketing is. And I think that is what we should start focusing on, to actually tell the people and teach them exactly what affiliate marketing is. Letting them know that affiliate marketing is not the vague promises of coming into affiliate marketing today and making ₦1 million in seven days, or making ₦1 million in 3 days, just like that. If it's that easy, everybody will be doing it. You also owe them that responsibility to let them know that affiliate marketing is not Ponzi, that affiliate marketing is not an investment, rather a business you will need to build by yourself over time. That affiliate marketing requires time. Why does it require time? Because it has a steep learning curve. And since it has a steep learning curve, that means you will need time to go through these things. And we also have to let them know that it's not something you can get into and contract another person to help you do it. No. We also have to let them know, not like somebody comes to you and you say, the person asks you, do I need to have a website? You say, no, you don't need a website. You can just get into it and just do it. You don't need a website. Anybody telling you about website? Listen. If you want to do something, do it right. And if people are coming to you, tell them the truth. Stop giving us bad name here online. If anybody comes, it is not about the money. Whether they want to pay you 200,000, they want to pay you 300,000 for a course or whatever it is, or for one-on-one session with them, that is inconsequential. If they come to you, the first thing you need to do is to tell them the truth. Tell them that you need a website. Tell them that you can pay me to build this website, but still, you need to know how to manage this website, because you cannot be paying me every time to manage this website for you. Tell them you need to know how to create a product. Tell them you need to learn how to get leads. Tell them you need to learn how to do marketing properly. Tell them you need to know how to read and write properly. Tell them you need to know how to design your marketing system, that is your landing pages. Okay? Tell them you need to know how to do email marketing. Tell them you need to know how to do video marketing using YouTube and stuff. I won't be able to cover all of this, but I'll be doing another one, to help you understand better what this concept is all about and to shed light in all of these things. Thank you. I remain Nsugochukwu Alfred, and folks call me Online Millionaire, and I'm your friend. All right. So for now, it's going to be bye.